Well guys, we're here at Canyon and Gage. What the hell? What the hell happened to the road? And there's like pylons all over the road here, guys. See, you can see right there. I don't know if you can tell because of the sunlight, but well, back at the end of August, there was a sign that's been talking about bike lane installations, and 2 months later, the construction's it's underway, guys. So I read something on I read a news article earlier saying that it's going to be work in progress until Friday. So as you can see right here, the road's already sketched out. Okay, it's right there, guys. The lines are really grinded out. I guarantee I did this like at 2 in the morning. I guarantee that. My God. It's not even here anymore, guys, but because I thought I was you know what, this morning. So all these things are running along the sidewalks right here, so this is like a really wide part of a bike lane right here because break off battery. Because it looks like there's gonna be a little parking lane over here, and it's gonna decrease the lanes. So yeah, so it's not gonna be the best though, but I know some people it may bother some people, but you know, the thing is,
it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is.
But yeah. But it's a good thing they're doing for Hamilton, guys. Like, this is probably one of the good things I like about Hamilton, other than all the bullshit I deal with, like crime and all that kind of stuff. But there's always honking everywhere, guys. Like, as this road right here used to be like a 4-lane road a long time ago, but it's not gonna look similar to this, but it's gonna have like It's not gonna look something like this. It's probably gonna have like a bike lane right here and like a parking lane, so it's supposed to look really nice. So, but I know this is a really weird video to come out of nowhere, but I got something to upload, so I'll just go walk down Gage for a bit, walk to King Street. But I know I forgot to do my intro, but there's no really point doing in this video, guys. Just rather just enjoy the road right now. I don't know how you did this. Like overnight, I think you did it. All along the road is pylons all along the road, the whole way. So, but I guarantee they're probably gonna be doing this at like 2 in the morning when there's less traffic and people live in these houses. They're probably gonna be hearing a lot of
3:28 a.m.
right in the middle of the night. But I know when he redid the road right by my house, surprisingly I slept through it. I remember one morning I was seeing there's flyers on my porch. First thing I noticed was the road, and like, what the hell happened to the road? And I forgot they did the bike lane, so I feel bad for these people though, for real. Bet they didn't get much sleep when they did this. Instead of closing off the road, they do it in the middle of the night when there's less traffic, and that's understandable, but just gotta think about the people too. So right now I'm just walking to the bus stop. I'm just gonna head back to where I'm supposed to be, but I'm on my spare right now. Just might as well show the road. And this is the situation right now, so maybe by this weekend I'll actually do another clip of the Gage when it's redone. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, but wait a minute. Mile to explain everything.